From the depths of neglect, a space is reborn. Dust settles on forgotten memories, light struggles to pierce the gloom, and shattered remnants are all that remain of what once was. This isn't just a room, it's a canvas of abandonment, a story of decay waiting for a new chapter to be written. The air is heavy, the silence profound, a testament to time's relentless march. Suddenly, a breach of light and purpose. A team moves in, not with hesitation, but with determined force. The chaos begins to yield as they methodically dismantle the decay, each piece of debris hauled away, every surface swept clean of its forsaken past. This is the aggressive, necessary purge before creation, a forceful clearing of the old to make way for the new. The room breathes again. With the clutter gone, the true restoration begins. Walls that have seen years of neglect are scrubbed and repaired, their imperfections smoothed away. Surfaces are meticulously prepped, becoming a blank slate. As the light grows brighter and clearer, the room's potential starts to emerge from the shadows, its bones now clean and strong, ready for transformation. Then comes the fire and the grind. A powerful machine roars to life, its diamond-plated discs biting into the concrete floor. Sparks fly in a brilliant, chaotic dance, and dust billows like smoke. This is a primal act of refinement, stripping the surface down to its raw, honest core, preparing it for the final artistic touch. The moment of creation arrives. A river of metallic epoxy, deep blue, shimmering charcoal, streaks of silver and veins of gold, is poured onto the prepared canvas. It flows and swirls with a life of its own, an intense cosmic dance of color and light. The raw elements are now blending into a liquid masterpiece, a galaxy forming under the creator's hand. Slowly, magnificently, the epoxy spreads. It settles into a flawless, glass-like expanse, capturing and reflecting the light in mesmerizing ways. The chaotic swirls calm into a unified, glossy ocean, its surface a mirror to the renewed space. The transformation is complete. What was once a forgotten, derelict space is now a testament to vision and artistry. The floor gleams with luxurious depth, a smooth, seamless work of art that redefines the very essence of the room. This is not just a renovation. It is a resurrection, proving that even from the deepest decay, breathtaking beauty can arise.